What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage. Welcome to another episode of Totally Tubular 2-Minute Tool Time Tuesday. And we are going to be talking about this little guy right here. Dent pullers. Oh yeah, let's go. Today on this Totally Tubular 2-Minute Tool Time Tuesday, I keep seeing this thing on Instagram being used and pulling out dents. And I wanna see if we can make that happen, well, in a condensed 2-minute version. So I'll use this, I'll show the kit down below. There are different things in the kit. Microfiber cloth. We have a scraper for scraping off the glue sticks. Comes with a little hammer and the hot glue gun. To adhere these little guys to your dents, we just glue them on and then we start to use the tool to pull them out. I got a door, I got a dent. Let's make it happen. Let's give it a quick whack. Okay. We can kind of see that now. We are going to circle it right here. So I'm gonna take this bigger one right here, throw some hot glue on it. Find that dent. I'm gonna press it there. And give this a squeeze. Woo! Okay. That seriously seems like it's already a bit better. There it is still, right there. Now I'm gonna go down to the smaller size here. It's already like way smaller. Look at that. That's crazy. I think realistically now I can step it down to this even smaller size. This might be it right here. Now they say to use, oh, holy crap. Dude. Like, look how freaking teeny that is now. That is, you can barely see it. I'm gonna do it with the smallest one now. That's where the dent was. And like, you really cannot really even see it anymore. It's pretty crazy. So just using this tool right here in the kit, it has a couple more tools in there. I'm not gonna show them all because I thought this one was kind of cool. It looks kind of gimmicky, but it freaking works, which is amazing. So yeah, guys, this is this week's Totally Tubular 2-Minute Tool Time tool. I hope you liked it. Link down in the description, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Subscribe later and wrench on.